Hi. Yeah, I know, bad sound is bad. Bleh. So, yeah, I still don't have my flip back. That's cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna get into this vlog so you guys don't have to watch me. Oh, I see a hipster headband. This video is brought to you in super hipster vision with my super hipster sweatshirt and my super hipster headband with my hipster hair. So, what's your favorite feature? I'd probably say my hair. When it's usually this length, I actually really like my hair. Challenge is to make a daily vlog for a minute. This is my sister's camera, so I couldn't really bring it to school or anything like that. Can't really make a daily vlog. And the challenge is to show something cool about my neighborhood. My neighborhood is just like, I forget what they're called. Watch nobody answer this. By God, somebody answered it. But, you know, the place they live, the cul-de-sac. That's right. I live in a cul-de-sac type thing, and it's just house after house after house after house. It's really nothing special. Special surprise this weekend or something. I don't know. I was supposed to say that. I hope I have my flip back next week. I really do. So I can actually start making some better videos. Because I love you guys. And I'm going to do a corny hand heart thing. Okay, bye guys. I just said with a D on my face.